Hey guys, it's Vince from Creative Rods, Shop Walk 88. Let's see what's going on in the shop. We'll come back to the Chevelle in a minute. We got Carter working on the 58 Impala. We're working on the door. Hey, you know, people gonna like that you got a mask on.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was telling Big Block the other day, I posted a video of him air filing with no mask. People are all over him not wearing a mask.
See, last time I didn't wear a mask when I was driving on the Bondo dust, I was coughing for like 2 weeks straight, and I don't want people to think I got COVID.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Look, I'm going to tell you something right now. There, I'm getting you some video time, right?
Yeah.
And Big Block, look behind you. He got to hog that camera, don't he?
I see his eyeball through the door. He's right there in the door lock. Look, he's always
peeking through the door lock. Huh.
He's always trying to soak up.
Did you blow my cover?
Always soaking up the screen time.
Hey, listen, I know you ain't had no screen time in a while, but dang.
If I was going to come while you was filming, I was going to kick, you know, scared me.
Oh.
Pants when he did it,
Yeah.
and I was trying to scare him.
Huh.
Don't act like you don't wet your pants. I saw you tinkle on the ground the last time we did it.
Oh, goodness.
No, you didn't.
Hey, let me tell you. You tell me about this fabrication work you just finished up behind you here.
All right.
Let's talk about that for a second.
This is a 1958 Chevrolet Impala, and we're doing a Pro Touring build on it. So it has a LS3 and a 6L80 transmission. The output shaft of the transmission is about right here, and the old floor pan was about right there. So we had to raise the floor, I don't know, 6 inches probably, 4 inches, whatever, all the way back to there because it's slammed on the ground. So made that, and then I made that, and now everything's covered up.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Now you're working on the door fit.
Yeah.
Doing a little body work now, huh?
Yeah, going on the edges, cleaning all this stuff up, all the body filler, making sure the door is where it needs to be.
What's next after that? You got all the front and back glasses done.
Yeah. I think we're gonna start body working it, and once they're done, yes, sir.
Oh heck! Look how Professor T done showed up in the camera here.
But yeah, pretty sure body work after this, right? Body work, and then we'll take the body off, or other way around.
Well, Vince has got to call him. Find out about that steering hole. Remember?
Yep.
Get the vintage air box kit. Double check that. We got to mount that computer.
And they run in the air file when I'm trying to make a masterpiece here. Whoop.
Yeah, for the gist of
it. What's he doing?
Big cheese, make a ring.
You're taking a wee-wee?
I'm making rings. It's not for it. I did the Indian dance. Started raining right here in the spot.
Huh.
Funny thing is though, it's coming up and then going down.
You know you got a spark plug wire you getting all wet right there?
We're testing.
You testing?
Simulating rain. See, that's normal rain. And then you got your Johnny Tsunami rain right there. That's the tsunami. Yeah, that's your tsunami rain right there. That's probably good. Yeah. I mean, if it rains that
Oh! Oh, I mean, stop.
Hey. If it rains that much, you're pulled over on the side of the road anyway.
There's your spark plug.
That's what it is.
There's your spark plugs.
Yep, there's my spark plug.
You got your distributor cap on back on there? Boy, that drips right on there, don't it?
Damn, they brought 4 of them? I hope they brought 8 of them. Well, I mean,
So every time it rains and sits, this car starts sputtering and everything else. Because of this crease right in the middle of the hood, or this area, it rolls in and drips right on top of the distributor. And it pops and cracks and everything else. So we're trying to fix that for the customer. Alright, since the last shop walk, you probably saw Carter doing metal work to this C10 cab. We've got it all completed, sandblasted, and epoxied. And it was all done in the wrong order. Customer decided to sandblast it after we completed the metal work, and you can see little areas of light through it. So, but he's already spent way too much money on fixing it, so he's just waiting for him to pick it up and finish it out. He's doing a lot of work on his own, so that's an update on that C10 cab. What'd you just say?
I said, I have fun every day.
You talking about having fun on the job?
Yeah, you gotta have fun at your job.
You have fun at your job?
I have fun every day, especially when I get to aggravate this man right here. You see what somebody wrote about him on the dust on the cabinet in there?
I did not see that.
Don't look at me like that.
Dust on the cabinet?
Yeah, their Bondo dust. It's getting on everything. It's on the doors of the Craftsman cabinet. We're gonna see what somebody wrote about you.
Well, well, we done moved the body shop into.
I mean, it's not bad, so it can be shown on
camera.
On camera, yeah. I'm sure. Somebody wrote Travis is awesome on one door, and then on the other door somebody wrote no, he's not.
Well, Travis wrote Travis is awesome,
I did.
and then somebody else wrote the other.
I'd have put noted.
Noted.
Noted. The funny thing is, it's the same handwriting on both doors.
Huh. Hey, did y'all hear that old Nate Dogg has a Corona back there?
Yeah, he does have
Yeah.
Corona.
Yeah.
I'll bring my shotgun. We'll take him right back and put him down. Better send his ass home.
Yeah.
Quarantine.
Well, I ain't going in that building.
Tyler's back there with him. You live with him.
Oh, where's Tyler?
Back there with Nate.
Oh gosh, y'all gonna bring that to my house now. I'm doing a shot walk. I'm staying out for quarantine, so
What the hell's a shop walk?
I don't know. Just start talking to the camera. I'm staying out here. And Tyler, don't bring none of that Corona home. Nate Dogg, what'd I tell you about French kissing the customers?
Well,
it's a French kiss. You ain't told me that.
Yeah.
well, they feel like they're getting it, real good here, so I'll at least give them something.
I think people are about tired of seeing this Scout. When you gonna finish up with it? Don't say you're waiting on parts.
I am.
Those parts got returned
Why?
because somehow it had this address in Greer, South Carolina, which is my home address. I'm like, how did they get mixed up? Usually you just click an address and it has it. So I said, bill me for another one and ship them out. We need it. So he's shipping them out UPS today since the Postal Service is closed today.
Okay.
And I said, just give me a credit when the other ones get back to you. So
Yeah, that should be.
did you weld the tabs yet in the rear end?
Hasn't made it down there.
Huh. We can't take it down there and get dirty.
I know. I don't see why they can't push a welder up here.
Through the gravel?
They're sticking in the back of a truck.
Yeah. And the tanks?
Yeah.
We can back it up to the door over there. Well, what'd your test say?
What test?
Your Corona test.
I didn't get
The
one.
China virus.
Was I supposed to get one?
Yeah.
I don't know why you let customers come in here sick.
I did. Hey,
And send me back here to work with.
Listen, you need to keep control of your shop better than who comes in it and who. I wasn't even here when he came in.
Is this 6 foot?
How's the Bronco coming? We can't show it, but how's it coming?
Why?
Oh, well, we just, customers want to update on the Bronco. They ain't seen it since in the paint booth.
Which customer?
I mean, not customers. The whole internet wants to know.
Oh.
Entire.
I mean, it's pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we got to get the,
Tailgate's got to be painted.
That's being painted right now.
yeah.
Hey, hood's ready to go on, right?
Yeah.
We got to do something with the seats.
Yeah.
Hood, seats, top,
Are we,
tailgate,
are we doing the top?
He said he's going to bring it.
Okay.
and some wire.
Yeah, wire.
Put the distributor in. Got it going yet?
It's in. It's just got to be wired.
5%.
Look,
We got a list over there.
Why you keep backing up?
because I started inching a little closer from my 6 feet.
So, what happens if I get sick?
You take your ass home for 14 days.
That's paid, right?
Paid? I didn't get you sick. I didn't kiss no customers. I mean, you took that on your own hands.
You got to quit letting the kissing customers come in here sick.
Huh?
You can't help it. Everybody wants a piece of Nate Dogg.
You know who called you Nate Dogg the other day in the email?
Who?
Shannon.
Really?
That's funny.
He said something, ask Nate Dogg. Blah, 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 blah.
I didn't even know he knew my name.
He don't. He knows Nate Dogg. That's it.
He's almost there. Just added a little bit extra.
Yeah.
Hey, kind of caught me at a bad moment there, bud.
Oh, it sounded like it was a good moment. Sounded like you was having fun.
It's a new song.
Oh, yeah?
Bundle.
Huh. Hey,
Instead
dude.
of La Bamba, it's Bundle.
Labondo.
La 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 Bundle. Yep, that's it.
What kind of weapon you got in your hand?
This is double-sided weapon. It can be used for blunt force trauma. It can also be used for piercing darts.
Like the cranium medulla oblongata?
The
Something like.
medulla oblongata.
Hey, did you hear that Nate Dogg might have coronavirus?
No, I did not hear that.
Well, we had a customer show up the other day. Unbeknownst, he called me the other night and said his sister had it and he tested positive for it. And
Lovely.
so he said, tell Nate Dogg, because I was back there with him.
That's lovely.
And I asked Nate Dogg if he stayed 6 feet away from him. He said, I don't know, we were kind of close one time. Then I asked him if he kissed him. And he said he couldn't remember. So now we got Nate.
I caught them. I caught them both locking lips, grabbing butt cheeks and everything. I mean, they was in it to win it. They wasn't none of this halfway in thing.
Huh. So you did see what went on, huh? I told Nate Dogg he needed to keep his,
Hands to himself.
well, that in his door lock back there. He blames me for not being here that he caught the coronavirus. Well, we don't know for sure, but
Well, there's no way he didn't get it. I mean, when you're locking lips and grabbing butt cheeks, I mean, you're going to catch it.
huh.
But if somebody's got it.
Huh.
And you can't say it didn't happen because he constantly walks around, you know. Like if he walks by somebody, you know, he's thinking somebody's gonna
Huh.
grab him on his butt cheek.
Huh.
I ain't got to worry about it because I ain't got no butt cheeks on the grab, so I ain't got to
Oh,
worry.
yeah, you can't keep your pants up.
I can't keep my pants up. So, you know.
Well, I'm just going to take a peruse down this
Go ahead and take-
Chevelle here that
take
y'all
a
been
cruise.
body working in the metal shop. I mean, I understand if you wanted more space in the body shop, but you just didn't have to come in here and take it over. Now everything's got dust on it.
Well, you know, I mean, it's one of those things, when you're skilled, you can do it anywhere.
Huh.
I could do it underneath the tray.
I could do it flying through the air with this thing in the back of a bear plane.
How about under a shade tree?
I could do it on a shade tree too. I might have done that many times back in the day. Sure have. I mean, might have painted a car too. Got a mosquito in there. I mean,
Skeeter in the paint.
mosquito in the paint.
Huh. Well, they've worked their way all the way from the back. We got the flush mounted glass roughed in. We're gonna shave and cut the bumper. That's a new thing that the owner just decided he wanted to do on the front and the back. Got an LS3 on order with a 4L60 or 80 transmission, can't remember. And we got Cole and Zach body working.
Y'all ever seen that famous movie? Got one of them big old gorillas. Got that big old gorilla hang on tires and stuff. And you got all them.
King Kong?
King Kong, yeah, or whatever it is. Maybe it was King Kong. I'm getting the movies mixed up. Anyway, they going down there and they see this big old daggone gorilla, and these Chinese folks, they look up and say, "Ah, it's Godzilla!" But this, something different. Y'all ready, folks? Has to do with my little theme song I had going on a little bit ago. Oh, it's Bonzilla!
Bonzilla.
Bonzilla! God.
Yeah.
His nickname is Chevelle.
Hey y'all, I'm Miranda with Creative Rods. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.